I always knew where I stood. I tried to be so good. Look at me now, I don't know how, but I'm a real hero. No hiding in the shadows, time to strut. I'm gonna make a splash to make this cut. You've got to believe that I am free, so no hesitation. Picture your planet in disharmony. Jump into the night, cause I can smell the trouble. Don't you miss the fight, just skip the up the double. I gotta make a difference, moving with a purpose. I'm feeling my inertia, inertia, inertia. Stubbornly, I will believe, I will believe. Stubbornly, I will believe, I will believe. Is it my turn to be the hero? 'Cause I got to be the hero. 'Cause I got to be the hero. 'Cause I got to be the hero. All my life they said that I was strange, but I knew that I could be the change. I still ain't done enough, not even close.
Hello? Hello. Howdy. Howdy, how's it going? What is up, my dudes? Oh my gosh. Shikari, congratulations on being first. Hi, hello. Demon King, welcome as well. And Aki. Long time no see. It's been years since you've been here, honestly. What's been going on? Oh my god. I'm like back to morning maxing. I was starting right when you're about to leave? Leave for work or something? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Well, the answer for that is I don't know. I don't know why I'm about to leave. Something, I'm just cool like that, maybe? Or whatever the words are that make sense. Problem is I miss you like a bad habit. Oh yeah, whatever. I'm crazy. Yeah, so what's been going on? What you guys been up to? I am out here. My dad and my sister are going into the city today. I work at 4 p.m. So I'm here. We're here. Oh my god, we're here. Just like, oh my gosh. Dude. I have to leave in 3 minutes to catch a buzz. You've been up to sleep? Oh my gosh. Sleeping been good though? Quality sleep? Quality sleep? Dude, I want to play like a simulator game right now. You barely got sleep, Akari? Oh my gosh. Me scrolling through my Steam library just to make sure I've got like games to play, and I just scroll past Anthro Heat. That is wild and insane. Falling apart. You're now fuzzy? Oh my gosh. That's true. That is actually so true. I am now fuzzy. You barely got sleep because you were gonna call with your boyfriend all night last night? Oh my gosh. How responsible of you. Did you guys have a good time though? Maybe a puzzle game? I'm just struggling internally to find something to do, you know? Fuzzy, soft, and cuddly, that's you, Wolfie. Oh my god, that's me. Let's go. You know what? You know what we do? You know what we do? I don't know what we play. We're playing Minecraft Survival? Like, is Minecraft Survival a game, or is it just like Minecraft, like default? This is a really cool game and demo. I know. Oh my god. Rusty. Rusty, how are you? Rusty, I'm trying to figure out which game and or demo to play. And it's very I'm struggling. Oh my god, is that Rusty? Is that his Soku? Oh my god. Soku, Levi, Rusty, Jacob in that okay. You gotta come home early. Yo. Yo. Rusty, are you up to anything on the 18th? That's a Sunday. I'm checking who's free. It's hard because a lot of my friends are at A&E that weekend. But you know, if you're free and you want to hang out and like grab some like lunch or dinner that day, you know, or hang out or something, you know, I don't think so. Well, if you do decide to and you're interested, yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out. All right, cool. Bet. Oh my gosh, what do I fucking pull out? Like, I could just play Satisfactory, but at the same time, like Satisfactory's like, I have to make a factory. Your car's in for an oil change. Oh my gosh. It's oil time. It's time for your car to get all oiled up. Hmm. Dude, I'm scrolling these games. You know when you have like an entire list of video games on your Steam and you just actually can't figure it out? Stay safe, Aki. Enjoy. I've been doing well, Aki. Yes, enjoy. Oh, take care. Oh, ads. Yeah, that's fair. It's reasonable. That's understandable. Because the alternative is I open up my Wii U or something, but oh, what is a challenge? Oh my gosh. Hmm. Hmm. I am struggling. Let it be known. I am struggling. What is this shit? That's VR. That's VR. Do I want to do VR? Like, is that what's up? Go fetch a bus. Akari, enjoy. We getting spam commercial recession indicator. Um, actually, the recession indicator is Volpe streaming at a reasonable time in the morning. I think that's the recession indicator that we're kind of looking for, actually. Still, have a good day, Aki. Oh, Maddie. How rough. Maddie, what the fuck? That wasn't that scary. That really wasn't that scary. Maddie, are you okay? Hmm. That was terrifying, bro. Okay. Also, Nemski, are you excited for your wrestling match against the person who's taller than you, stronger? Oh my goodness. You're actually gonna get destroyed. Hmm. You're throwing Wormo through a concrete wall. A concrete wall? Oh my god. That's a bit aggressive, isn't it? I think maybe you should like, you know, have a bit more self-control over that, but you know, that's just me. That's just my opinion. What the heck are these? What are these games? Volpe? Yeah, what's up, Demon Cam? What you're looking for? I am currently here. I'll show you what I'm doing. Yeah. I'm here in my Steam library, and I'm currently scrolling through my games, trying to find a game that I'm feeling like playing right now. And it is a fucking struggle. Oh my gosh. They're looking for the juice? Maddie, can I have the juice actually? Because I think I deserve the juice. You're making chicken udon soup? Yo? With the proper udon noodles? Oh my lord. That sounds pretty nice actually. That's pretty good. Hmm. Figment, just like Maddie's a figment of my imagination. This is that one game that was in, like, guess the game. Do you have the room? I don't have the room. Furry Cyberfucker 2? Let's go. Guys, I've gotten all the achievements in Furry Cyberfucker 2, guys. Don't worry. I'm a professional furry cyberfucker. Listen, any game that has easy achievements to get, I will farm the achievements for. Like, check this, check this. I have 71 perfect games because easy achievements, you know? Although I did cheat all the achievements in Payday 2, so this number is like 3,000 larger than it should be. But that's because I don't like Payday 2 and they keep adding achievements, so fuck that shit. I shouldn't just. You shouldn't have Payday 2 on your Steam achievement or your Steam list, okay? As soon as you graduate, that hobby dies. I have less time now than, you know, like doing school, work, and everything than when I was just doing school before graduating. Fucked. Job grinds your soul. Job provides me more time, and that's kind of right. Your mic is peaking like hella, by the way, sweetie. Okay, well, I think your mic is peaking, and that's a skill issue on you. And I think it's probably because we have the wrong sound input device because it keeps changing. Let's see. Oh, it isn't. Fuck. That is strange. Strange. Huh. Okay, well, that's fine. That's whatever. What is a soul? Um, a soul is what's called when you like play Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy and actually enjoy your time. Okay. Yo, Yeti, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. But Franco, how have you been doing? What's up? There's a lot more zeros than I'm used to on your name. Fuck that game. Well, I mean, fuck Furry Cyberfucker too, as well, though. Of course, you know. Greatest penguin heist of all time. I need friends to play that one. It's a whole bunch of Half-Life stuff. These look like cursed games. Hellblade's actually a good game. That's not the game I'm playing right now. Hmm. Hop on Sea of Thieves, little bro. I don't have Sea of Thieves, bitch. Okay. I'm almost through the achievements in Immortality, by the way. Like, I don't think I'm gonna play it again because it resets everything if you accidentally reach the end. But like, you know, it happens. Uh, Let me see you suffer. If you want to see me suffer, I'm gonna play like Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Neo Zero, it's so hard to be so hero. Oh my god, that's mitosis, guys. Wow, I love mitosis. Where's Nikojishi? I love Nikojishi. Play that egg game that makes you climb a bunch of shit. Wait, an egg game that make am am I okay? Egg game that makes you climb a egging on. What? What? Like I ate with you? What does that mean? Oh god, it's Okami. I love Okami. Shut up, mate. Pays for killings. Let's chill. PoE 2 exists. You know, we're playing Powder Toy right now, okay? I get so triggered. Me getting triggered at a game. We egging together. Thursday, yeah. Thursday in it. Alright. While I keep searching, we're just gonna like, I don't know. Fucking where's dust? I want dust. I want dust. There we go. Dust. And I wanna like get fire. Oh my god. Excuse me? I need borders. Where's the border button? What the fuck? Where's the border button in the powder toy? Here. Solid. There we go. Okay. We're gonna fill this with dust. I played Graveyard Keeper. It's like Stardew but graveyard. Oh my god, really? Let me sniff your late. Am I wearing latex? Koki. Okay, we just take. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Yeah, you're fully kinked out. I was gonna comment on it. Fuck. All right. Well, just like 1 second. I'm gonna put something on real quick. I need to put something on. Oh my gosh, too, yeah, bullshit, bullshit. Ooh, woo, yeah, don't worry, Nefari, it happened. Let me just. Here, I got this shit, okay? One moment. I need to get something from my other room. There we go. That should be good. The Blorb. What the fuck is the Blorb factor? Okay. All right. Observe me in all of my unshowered glory. Base cam Volpe? Whoa, yeah. Look at me. So pretty. She's so lame. She wear dumb red skirt, you know? It's dumb because there's actually just like tail right here. You're not wearing a skirt? Or you're not wearing a skirt? That's crazy, Bezix. Bezix, maybe you should be wearing a skirt, honestly. I'm not sure if this detaches at all, but, you know. I think it's just stuck there. Oh, a shirt? Oh, yeah, well, maybe you should just, like, wear a shirt, honestly. I think that's probably pretty reasonable. Yeah, Naki, I'm actually just, like, the cutest, to be fair. So, like, you know, get ruined, get destroyed, get utterly exterminated. Yeah. In fact, I'm actually gonna put on. Pull up. In your room? Holy fuck. Think I should clean my room? I roll out of bed, I start my stream, and this is how you repay me? By telling me to clean my room? This is very disappointed. Clean room stream? Alright. So clean now. That's crazy. Holy shit, clean your room is crazy. That is crazy talk. Why did you buy the light bulb for your room? Which light bulb? Which light bulb are we talking about here? The one behind me? Like this one? Or the one further back? Like the one way back? I bought that like 5 months ago or something. Something pretty lame like that. By the way, like my room wasn't that messy, right? Like it was literally because I didn't make my bed yet. Like that was it, right? My cam exposure? No, it's not the cam exposure. It's how bright my ring light is here. Here, if I cover the ring light and I show my hand underneath, you'll see it's actually normal brightness. Gotta lower your silly. Actually, nah. You just live with it being bothered. Here, let me open this right here. Okay. It's not even Stream Center I need. It's the other one. Same difference though. Your eyes are for Rying. Well, that's a bit lost, honestly. Is this gonna try and steal my camera view? Hmm. Too glorious to glow. Yeah, and I haven't even like ironed this shirt since my last job interview because I don't own an iron and my roommates are out of what's it called? What is this? There we go. Is that better for you? Is there no carbon dioxide in this space? That is crazy. Artie, hi, how's it going? Kind of looks like an IRL asterisk next to you. Oh yeah, do you want me to like get rid of it? Do you want me to like disable it? No. I can tell you that light is the number one cause for issues for VR chat tracking for me. So like definitely has some aura. It's kind of fucked up, Maddie, honestly. Yep. Fucked. Yeah, I haven't asked to risk, you know. Tink the drinks melt the glass and drink that right. Make your own make your own water. That water looks as if it's ever One moment. Okay. Around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself. I got some water here today, but I'm almost curious what you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join along and let me know. Let's go right ahead, okay? Speaking of vitamins, actually, I need to go do some stuff for mine. One second. You know, we're doing everything I would do after stream now. Vitamins. Maddie? Interesting. All right, guys. Check the cod liver oil, guys. You see this? My cod liver oil. mm. Cod lives in your oil? Yeah. Cod liver oil. And then we'll grab up my vitamin D3. Shout out to Jameson brand because it's cheap, you know. I'm gonna take my 2 little gel capsules, okay? How's that? Is that okay? Is that reasonable? Lil had oh my fucking god. You guys are so brain rotted. I actually hate y'all. Oh, Barnacles, I hate the pill. Deserved, honestly. Absolutely deserved. Okay, so what can I get up to now? Hmm. There we go. I love the powder toy. Just get rid of the rest of these particles here. Erase that. Wow. Rocket League is so tough. Oh my god. Just hit play reset, bro. Twin. Play Rocket League, do the Wordle, do Contexto. What the fuck is Contexto? Hold up. Oops. Find the secret word. You have unlimited guesses. The words are sorted by an artificial intelligence algorithm according to how similar they were to the secret word. After submitting a word, you will see its position. The secret word is number 1. The algorithm analyzes thousands of texts, use the context to calculate the similarity between them. Okay. Twin said graft. I said trouble and truth. So it probably ends in LE or something. Oh, it's synonyms. Oh, okay. Okay. Other princess, how are you doing? I'm doing well. How are you doing, dude? How do I spell vivisect? I vivisect. Okay, it's not vivis. Okay, it's not related to that. But guessing person, place, or thing helps. Oh, like rock, diamond. Nope. What? What are the connections? So it's based on like definition relation. It's not based on like Wordle like things. It's context. Okay. Okay. So it's not similar to earthquake, but it's similar to rock rubble. Could be something to do with like a missile? No. Or like a bomb? No. What leaves like rock rubble and destruction? Tsunami? Guess food. I don't think this is good. It's probably a physical object. Yeah, like a brick or something. Okay, wait, okay, wait. Wait a second here. It's close to brick. Cement? Okay, it's not close to cement, but it's closer to brick. They've been feeding us a fable, swallowing the rabbit hole. I can't keep quiet at the table. House is worse than brick, okay? In a brick house. Apartment's better. Okay, so roof is close to brick. Maybe shingle? How do I spell shingles? It's not a shingle related thing. It's not window related. Okay, stairs close. It's not close to ladder. Attic? It's closest to an attic. Okay, it's similar to an attic. Not as close to a cellar, though. It's probably high up. Basement doesn't make sense, honestly. That's a bit fucked. Ooh. Now I'm confused. The word refer. Yeah, that's how most of these things work. What the fuck is Lethrosco? Find the secret word. You have up to 10 letters. Okay. I don't even know how to do Letroso. This seems a bit cringe. Here. Yeah, I'm just gonna do an Anna Guesser. Weave? Nah, it's fine. I don't get it. Like, what even is this? What the fuck is she doing? She's down there to give the dog food, and the dog just walks by. Like, what the heck? That's definitely Pokemon. This is Pokemon. I never existed. Sorry that I let you down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Life is a grave. Here, I got this. I got this, okay? Wait, say that again? Say what again? What did I say? Did I say something? My roommate is sometimes on my knees, so sometimes on my head. Oh, it's Bunny Girl Senpai. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. This one right here, this one's like, what the fuck is it called? This is like reincarnation of a healer, you know? Wait, what the fuck? Akashic? No. Death Note, yep. This is non-baka. Yeah, mm-hmm. Oh, it's just scientific. Why am I not even surprised? I haven't seen Accelerator. Accelerator, by the way, isn't like so certain scientific railgun is a really cool one where like they shoot like the bullets from their finger, but Accelerator's weird. It's like crazy like that. This may contain nudity. Let's not do that one. This is Kaguya-sama. Wait. Kaguya Otsutsuki or Shinomiya? That's probably right. Kaguya-sama Love is War. This person feels like they're from like Angel Beats or something, and this person feels like they're from like I don't know, Eva. Oh, that's the Steins Gate character. I'm so bad. And it's Shinomiya. Fuck. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you go lurk, okay? Yeah, this is good for me. All right. I just see Sekiro on my desktop and it's actually toxic staring at me. It's staring back at me and I don't know what to think about that. What are these other games here? Perfect Date. Cube 2. Quiplash. Rapture Rejects. Rebel Egg. Rift Wizard 2. Rising Storm 2. Rock of Ages. Road Redemption. Score a Gold 2. You know what? We're going to play Score Gold 2. Cal, how do you clear a baby's nose of snot? What the fuck? How does this work? How do I play the game? Okay, so space is resetting level. I just took a screenshot. You don't want to know? Oh, I do want to know. There's two mouth, another one in the nose of the baby. Oh my god. Really? Okay. Guys, I have to figure out how to play this game. How to play How to Score a Goal 2. Okay, got it. Will the ball move it far enough for this? Cute Volpe stream. Don't worry about it. We're just cool like that. Hmm. This is level 1. Is this better? Oh my god, cute Volpe stream. Don't worry, Dusty. We're good. Like, oh fuck! Oh my god. Okay, I'm not on my keyboard. We're good. Oh my god, I got a goal. Holy crap. Okay, this is an easier level, okay? Alright. Well, that'll win the level, probably. Oh, this might work. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. So I hit that. I let the ball fall. There we go. Boom. See, we're playing scorer or goal too, right? It was this one, right? Yeah. Wait. It doesn't always work? It's fucked up. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, I got this. So I do this. It bounces off here. It bounces back up and blows back. Oh my god. Do I really have to just wait? I have to wait. Oh my god, I scored a goal. Let's go. What? What? I understand this game. This is gonna go in the net, right? I, okay. Why is the massive ball much less dense than this small ball? The heck? What the fuck? Is this level even possible? What? What the hell? Is it supposed to like bounce back over? Like does the world loop? Hi Shoddy, how are you doing though, by the way? Welcome, welcome. Have people written comments about this? A 100%? There's a 100% video here. Okay, I already did that level. Wait, I haven't been to that level yet, I don't think. Yeah, I definitely did that one. What? What the hell? It's buggy at level 10 and can't proceed. That's crazy. It's level 10 that's an issue. Okay, I just need to change the resolution, right? There we go. Okay, I can access the rest of the game. Okay, perfect. There we go. What? Okay, hit that. Okay, so that gets rid of that. Okay, I think this is fine. You're just wondering what deadly neurotoxin smells like? Oh, excellent. So what's your thought? What do you think? What do you think deadly neurotoxin smells like? Can I try you? Like butter. Ooh, it's pretty interesting. Okay, I'm confused what this level is. Okay, I see it. So I hit that one, I just wait. Someone who smelled it before, but they'll be skeletons. I mean, not necessarily, you know. They'll just be paralyzed completely. Near paralysis. Okay, this is a really long level. And there's no way to make the game faster. How do I how do I do this level? I feel like I need to use this explosive here, right? Hmm. All right, let's wait for this ball to move. As long as we get to that red box at the bottom. Okay, and that gets rid of that. So this ball can win the game. Hmm. Can I have some chips? I'm having caramel popcorn right now. President's choice, of course, you know, as you do. Yeah. There we go. Hmm. I'm curious. If I view all the achievements, there must be a drop off at level 10, right? No, there's actually no drop off at level 10. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, I just scored a goal over there. What? 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 What the hell? What is happening? What? How do I get through there? Oh. So that's a trap. Have that make a goal? I just need to find a way to launch this over. And then this one hits that right there. And I got a goal. Okay. Okay. All right. Hmm. 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 Does that count as a goal? Okay. That's gonna bounce in. Beautiful. And then this one right here is just gonna go into the net at some point. Oh my god. Okay, what happens when I bounce this up here? And that's good for that level. And now this level is like, refresh maybe this first. So just the right side. Oh, just the left side? Okay. And then this should bounce slowly but surely towards the net. Fuck. Wait, but it should bounce back, right? Right? Yeah, I think this ball goes into the net. I just have to wait for it. I mean, I could be a bit more gluttonous right now because I have a candy cane right now, and I desire to eat it. What? What? Mm, what the fuck? Can I poop your snoot? Yeah, go for it, Max Candy. Honestly. Come on. This game is just like Rocket League for real, honestly. Bezix would love this game. As a Rocket Leaguer. There we go. There we go. Next up, there's not really much I can do apart from just dropping this. Okay, so that doesn't work. But I know how to launch it properly now. Okay, that was a bit too far, but like I know how to do this, okay? It bounced back up in time. Oh my god. I got the perfect explosion and it just bounced back up. All right. Now we just wait for this to bounce. Why won't this bounce faster, bro? Like, come on. Just get in the goal, dude. Come on. Thank you. All right, there we go. Game complete. Easy game. Oh my god. I don't fucking care about that fucking game. Above. Hmm. I know exactly what I'm gonna play. Human, gross, furless creature. Yeah, Jack, it's fucked, honestly. I think saying conquered instead of fucked to refer to link up sounds awesome. Is that cringe incel way to think? To refer to link up sounds? Wait, what do you mean by that, Playboy? Wait, link up sounds? I'm not quite certain what you mean by that. Sorry about that. Babsy, good morning, Volpe. Oh my god, Vilsa, hi, how are you doing? It's been quite some time. Did you have a good time when Foppy was there? How are things? Woof woof bark bark and shit, you know? You get me. It was magical? Yeah? Magic. Okay. Okay, I see you. Okay. Hmm. Okay, 1 second. I got this. I've got this. There we go. But yeah, a lot of unforgettable experiences. How so? Wait, what? Ah, from the turn. Did right. But I've been doing really well, Wills. How are you doing?
I'd like you all to know he grew a great big marrow for the Luton Flower Show. He showed it
Yeah, it's been like pretty chill, honestly. I'm happy that like I've got time to just kind of exist for a bit, you know, and not have to worry about like things going on and stuff, you know. Yeah, glad to hear. I'm glad to hear you're doing well. Okay, dumbass. See this. Go on then. Buff. Go on then.
Tiny Tums, Tiny Pies. You simply won't get tinier.
Peens. Not quite peas,
Not quite
beans,
beans.
but something special in betweens.
Such a cutie. It's actually crazy like that.
Get the big plates out.
But Wilsa, how are you doing though? Regardless, like
Your wife the
otherwise, I mean, obviously,
big bronze
you're
big
doing well,
pies.
and like you know, you had a good time. But like, oh my gosh, just woke up. Oh my god, wow. I need to fight you actually. Okay.
Bammy Bazzers, Buttery Nubs, Bammy Bazzers, Buttery Nubs, Bammy Bazzers, Buttery Nubs, Bammy Bazzers.
Hi, sir. Good morning. How's it at work?
Family. Romance.
Hmm.
Pit. Visit Bandsworth. It's rate good.
Hmm.
So that's Barnsworth. Strange place, I know, but they
I
need what we're
love
selling,
Barnsworth.
see?
Mhm.
I've got you a meeting
ready.
with the Lord Mayor today,
Well,
so don't miss that bus.
I need to go
Are you
get
listening?
a casual
Hey,
meal sometime. All right. Okay.
what are you
Right
still
here, right
doing
now,
here,
we
boy?
throwing.
Get
Yeah.
out.
I'm fighting you properly. Oh my goodness. Well, you know, my silly little fox paws aren't like quite strapped up and ready to go, but like, you know, I can get some bindings on. That kind of fight, yeah.
Bands with the weights, boy. Carol, I'm going to need another top up of the letter.
How does that feel being like crazy? Fighting that ends with someone getting pregnant?
This has happened again.
Oh my god. Mpreg ass shit? Let's go.
Good grief, lad. The front door was right there. We're 10 stories up for crying out loud.
Oh, don't worry. I can fall. It's good. Actually, supplying foxes with burgers? I am aware of that. Burgers are quite cool.
Oh, I've never seen one as big as that before.
When you say burgers, you're meaning proper burgers, correct? 1 second. There you go. Yeah, keep going.
It's nice and round and fat. You have the corn tomorrow, but always big as that. Oh, what a beauty.
The downside to being like up at this point
As big as that before.
and not having had a shower yet for work is like, oh yeah.
What's the what, man? It must be 18 inches
Include
long, come on.
non-ashtray meat variety of burgers, yes.
What's your colour?
Of course, of course, of course.
Round and fat.
I mean, from the conversation we had when I went out to go get a burger because I was really bored and needed a burger, yeah. I completely understand.
Oh, what a beauty. I've never seen one as big as this before.
You have no right to look at this gender this early in the morning.
I'm sorry, love.
Yeah, Willis, have you seen the full
fit?
fit?
For another few hours yet. But if you just sit there, I'll let you know when he's ready. All right, love.
This is like the vibe, right? I mean, obviously this tail is fucking me over. Like, if I just, like, cut this tail here and then have it, like, lean upwards. It probably would let my shirt come down a bit further, you know? But it happens. The tail outfit, so it's whatever. And beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. Honestly. My nails are all, like, spotted up and everything. Like, we're playing, like, the gamer card. Yeah, Knight's Tail? Thank you very much, Duganite. See, Duganite gets it, okay? If Duganite didn't get it, I'd actually, like, feel terrible. I feel, like, disgusting. Making you want to paint your tail? Yeah, you should paint your tail, bro. What color is your tail normally? Is it, like, gray or white or something?
Good morning, little fella. Nice to have you around.
Thank goodness you're here.
Thank goodness you're, yeah, what's up?
I spy a shiny tuppence down this here runoff. But more fool me, my arm has become trapid.
Your arm has become rapid.
Lubrication, that I might slip free.
Oh yeah, I'll go find you some lube, yup. Cream red and blue? Oh, okay, I see you. I think gray is a really cool color. But that's just me. Drunk driver. I think it's a pretty cool game because I think it's really cool, like, picking things, you know? In memory of Bobby Oddjobs. I would like to perform as a hypersexual asexual, you know, I would like to perform multiple efforts of sexual activities.
Almost done, and then I can finally get home to my puzzles.
Yeah, have fun with your puzzles, bro.
No chance of any of them round here, though.
Just the man I need. The mayor's asked me to clean up this little rose garden.
Yeah.
You can start by getting on that mower.
I get on that mower? Okay, I got you.
That is a fine statement.
Fine statement, indeed, of course.
I love you. I love you. I love
Oh my gosh.
I love you. I
Yeah.
love you.
Kind of toxic, honestly, if you think about it. It's a very disappointing way to live life.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. And I'm biting you. Actually, I'm biting you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Let's see about counter nibble offensive. I'm the best at counter nibbling.
I love you. I love you.
Oh my god.
Oh, silly me.
My wife could learn a thing or two.
My wife could learn a thing or two. That is crazy.
Nice firm grip on that mower, lad.
Oh yeah, I got a pretty firm grip myself, you know, absolutely. For real, true. I mean, how else would I be able to perform the jerketh of the office without quite a firm grip? Nix Bricks, yo.
Nick's Bricks, come get your bricks. Bricks by the brick, bricks by the bag. High quality bricks by Nick, that's me.
I like some bricks from Bricks. I like some bricks from Bricks Nick's Bricks, you know? That seems pretty fair, right? Fair and balanced, even.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, mister. We're not open at the moment.
We're not open. Mother makes buttery goods isn't broken.
My keys. And now we gotta wait for that useless locksmith.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Meg. What am I like?
You want Nick to
Colin,
get me his
you
brick?
are the most work-shy fuck I've ever had.
I want
this
Nick to be all
fortune
bricked up so I can get the brick of Nick, you know? That seems pretty reasonable. Ooh. Reasonable indeed. Exactly, perfect.
All right, give it a tug.
Poor Charlie. I hope he gets that tuppence.
Poor Charlie, I hope he gets that tuppence. Of course, absolutely. Ooh, is this key, like... Oh, I can go in here. Oh, interesting.
Now then, Larry. How about the cobbler's pint, eh?
What's a cobbler's pint then?
It's like a normal pint, but I take both my shoes off.
I take both my shoes. Oh my goodness.
Flat.
Can I take both my shoes off or
Go
something?
down into the cellar and knock a few barrels about.
While you're down there, lad, give those barrels a shake up, won't
Take off
you?
the old socceronis and stuff, yeah? Can I just meet you in the webcam? You know, I wish, honestly.
Hey, looking good up here.
I think that would be really cool, honestly, too. Come here. Yeah, Juggernaut? You're crazy like that.
Nothing like a nice wet pint to start the day. Every morning I wake up, can of lager, then I do a big wee. Then I get out of bed and go downstairs for my morning pint.
Oh, bless.
You know, you need steady hands to be a locksmith.
Which means you should at least have 3 pints before brekkie, right?
Ah, Larry, you were just talking about my morning pint. I think I'll take it now, please.
Right you are, Ronnie. Another morning pint coming up. You working today then, fella?
Yes. In fact, I'm supposed to be at Meg's already, I think. I'll be back in a moment for my morning pint.
Oh, what's he like, eh? Come on then, let's pour you a pint and all. On the house.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
That Ronnie's a character. He'll be back later, I reckon.
Yeah, but I think, like... Yeah, it's just... Life and living things has just been, like... so funny. It's been so funny, just nothing going on.
There you go, lad.
I do like the sufficient amount of things to, like,
Hey, whoa.
kick out.
Ooh, one small with vigor. It's no use.
I hope he does get his pittance, or his tuppence, honestly. He probably deserves it at this point, at the end of the day.
Thanks for fetching that, Ronnie, lad. I'd offer you a pasty, but we've not cooked yet. Help yourself to out front back, though.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Thanks, Meg.
What on earth are you doing with that mop, boy?
Oh gosh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Meg. My mum's got me back on the Mercury
Dog,
again.
not on the
Give me
Mercury, bro.
strength.
That's actually disgusting. You know, you serve a big... Oh, yummy... Yeah, maybe. That's probably, like, important at this point, you know? I think...
Oh, you found me. I'm the fridge stoat, and I'm awfully
fridge stoat?
frigid.
Oh my-
No, I'm actually the town beau, if you catch my meaning.
The fridge stoat, that's Hisoku. Oh my gosh. I need, like... I need to cook for some people, you know? I think that's probably a vibe.
Ooh, hello.
Perfect butter use. Get the hand out of the, Why are you doing it on the armpits as well? What the fuck?
Rightio, chaps. Ready for one last tug-a-roo? Grab a hold of my forum. On my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Now it's horrifying. Listen,
Ooh.
okay, it's fine.
What's this?
He got his
'Twas
tuppence.
nary a tuppence. 'Twas a threepence. Pray tell, young threepence, where best to spend ye?
Wait, so he buttered himself up and he still
What
didn't
hell,
get his
what
arm out.
luck? A wishing well. Godspeed, young threepence.
Oh, you blooming turnip.
In for a penny.
In for a penny, in for a pound. Ugh. All right. If I go back in, it'll make me
Clarence,
pissed off at the
One day we'll get out of this town. You'll go to
oil?
veterinary school, and I can do my juggling. We'll be so happy together.
Colin, I'm not
In
paying
for
you
the
10
penny, in
pence
for
an
the-
hour today,
Oh,
treat.
I got 10 pence an hour. That's basically what I'm earning, honestly, if you think about it. Up, 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 up. Wait, it's 9 a.m. and I can't get into the building? What am I missing?
Crime 3 since 93.
I'm 3 since 93. You're already more like 7. Possibly 6 or 7, honestly.
Oh, I do love my Mo wife. You and your wife should come around sometime. We live underground, in soil and that. Anyway, I must be off. I've got some work
6,
to
7,
suck up into my big
6,
Mo
7. Yeah.
Oh.
If you looked up 6'7" on Google, I hate what happens when you search up 6'7" on Google.
Well, I guess no breakfast for me.
It actually disgusts me. I am pissed off when I see that, and that's like not even real like that. Mixed bricks. It's like a drop for me to breathe
queer.
every day.
There it is noon and all asunder. Hey, woo, hey.
But just nude and all asunder. Yes, of course. (6'9" superior, actually 8'9" superior to that.
I've never seen a hole as big as that before.
Oh, there's a hole. I forgot about the hole. Y'all just all shake my head. Gotta tap in. Honestly, agreed. (6'9" so last decade? No, 6'9" still pretty current, honestly, if you think about it.
Do you think it'll work this
6'7",
time,
6'9",
Oh,
and
dear.
8'9" are pretty
It's no
relevant.
use, Marge. I don't think this thing's worked in
So last
quite
time you
a
did
while.
6. Oh wait.
How have you been cooking fish and chips all this time?
Oh,
Yeah,
I need
6'9" is
some
so
top
last
right,
decade, guys.
actually. Whoa.
Hang on a wee minute. Where's my blinking spanner? Oh, don't tell me it's been pinched again. It'll
Why
be
would
that
someone
senile
steal your
old fish
spanner?
will get bished down at the market. You
The
better
old
get
heads
down
do?
there and find it.
Oh,
Or
really?
it'll be cold chips till the cows come home.
Yeah, we got MP. Yeah, true.
Now then,
I mean, everyone
Marge,
just wants to be
about
like
my
super like.
payment.
Oh, well, it looks like there's no
Everyone wants to be
money in
straight
it.
coded, despite you know.
Oh no, I'm not
gay
doing
shit.
it like that again.
It's very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I see MP. I'm thinking, oh, Mpreg, Metroid Prime, and I swear you're not trying to refer to any of those. Pound Shaggers.
Council says
Barnsworth police are aware of illegal activities taking place in this area.
hello there. I've got a sausage here. Would you like it? Here you go. Ah, I've dropped it. That's okay. I've got another. Ah, I've dropped it again. It's all right. I've got some more inside. Back in a mo.
Check back if you want to. Back if you want to see how to do the notes. Check Discord. Your room's been hit by a gas bomb. Did you fucking take a shart in your room? The fuck? Not at all, Lamau. Oh my god, Maddie. That is crazy. Not me, probably the dog cough. Oh, well, you could just, like, you know, eliminate the dog.
What have we got here then? A toad and the owl. Don't worry, little fella.
I'll
I'll
pop
pop you
you
down
down
the apples and pears in a jiffy.
Ah, a fine mess.
Just
No
a bit of a
bother there,
fine
young man. Help yourself to some scrambled bread on your way out.
Some scrambled bread?
I better get a dustpan and brush.
Wait, how do I scrambled bread? Oh, this window. Do not the dog. Oh, yeah, do not eliminate the dog. My apologies.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. I've been sucking this pipe all morning.
I've been sucking this pipe all morning. Oh my god. Guys, guys, I've been sucking this pipe all morning. Okay. Look how flaccid that pipe is. You know,
She needs a drink, lad. She's drier than Meg's fruitcake.
Come on, get into
didn't try turning it on. Well, it does go through the well here.
Ah.
I'll tend to the garden at least. There's so many ants everywhere.
You know, I love cucumbers, but I cannot stand a snail. Every time I put one in my mouth, I'm nearly sick.
Why would you
Do
put
me
the
a favour.
snail in your mouth if you're like confused?
Give them a clip round the ear hole for me.
No snail zone over there. Bro, the French ate the snails? That's true, honestly. That's very true.
Ooh, fat bomb in it.
Extremely accurate.
I'll not be winning any rosettes at this rate.
You won't be winning any rosettes at this rate, okay?
Woof.
Okay, well, there must be something going on down here in the well.
Hello.
Hello, I am a worm. The well's dry. You know what happens. Just needs a little bit of sucking, honestly. Sometimes if you slip the well, it's like actually sprays water out fully. Well. Would you still hate me if I was a worm? Of course I would, Duganite. Don't worry. You don't have to worry about me, like, stopping hating you, okay?
If I had a crab in your box, if I had a crab in your box.
Goodness, it is. This store's a
Sorry, let me put some smokes in the these throws.
Oh, a fine scene.
Jasper, I've no idea how that got there.
I pull the other one. Passing off my spanner as a stiff kipper, is it?
But we've
I
been
love
friends
this
for
skipper.
40 years. Why on earth would I betray your trust now?
And why don't you spare me the excuses, you fat trout? I'm taking this back to my toolbox, where it belongs.
How
Here we go.
embarrassing.
It's so fun to do. So fun to hate Duganite? Yeah, I know, right?
Have you heard about Big
Or are you
Rock?
talking about, like,
What's he
with the
doing?
kid?
Oh, wow, hold on.
In which case it's like,
Well,
oh, I see.
What's this about then? On a Thursday morning, no less.
Josh is
What to know, but I need to
chargers, huh?
Oh, of course you do. Why don't you ask your Beverly to make you one?
Scott Spice.
To do that jar of mustard that needs using.
Well, there you go then. I'll be round at 6.
But you're not invited.
I can't believe that big run.
Nobody
don't
gets-
die.
No dinner desk, okay.
Doug's the name, rugs are the game.
Doug's Rugs. Okay, pretty cool, but you're leaving your money on the surface. Dirty place. Is as dirty as the jokes? It's dirty as the croaks. Oh my god. Okay, where do I go from here?
Who's done that?
Oh, who's
That's
done
last
that?
time.
Should hang his head.
Oh, I go into the meat shop. Ah, that makes sense.
Can I help?
There we go. Now I can get the meat flowing. Beautiful. Thank goodness you're here. Eating meat, are we? Well, I'm just having my sausage flow long and...
Hello.
Hello. Look, I
Very
got a pet
handsome,
now.
my dog.
Ooh, no quite some food there. You can have any of that. Karen will
Very
be
handsome, my
when
dog.
she's done. Da-da-dum.
Beautiful rap music.
What a mess.
What a mess, of course. I'm sorry. My apologies.
5 across. A thick rope of wire.
A thick rope of wire, 5 across. Probably like a spool or a spindle or something.
Oh, my big bag.
Close to the smacky bum. It's a good thing I smacked his bum, honestly. For what it's worth, he probably deserved it. Beep, 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 beep.
Big pies, tiny pies. All I need is my burger.
Blooming heck, you've really set him off now, haven't you?
Well, what? It is big.
Well, you didn't have to say it like that.
Well, it is big. I shouldn't be so soft about it.
Got a big tour. They don't see me
True.
tricking
The
bananas.
hamburger is big, okay?
Oh,
What do we got down here? Socks. Pretty stiff. Okay. Lightly soiled. Miscellaneous medium soilage. Bargain. Absolute soilage. Holy baps.
no breakfast, and now no lunch.
Oh, rough. Fun balls, cool hats, spinny sticks.
The absolute state.
Dugan,
of
do you want a
this.
spinny stick? Wonder why they're so.
I've been a big pie man all my life, but I'll be telling the wife to buy Tom's from now on.
Oh.
Maybe I'm putting cardboard boxes in here.
What the fuck? Wonder what they're still. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's actually fucked up. That's fucking insane.
What was he doing in there?
Okay, let me go help him with his big
Oh,
pies.
you've come just in the nick of time. I came in as usual, opened up shop, counted till, went to make my first pie of the day, and then I realised we've no meat. I can't make a pie without meat.
Well, you could just go to the
It's
butcher
second
shop down
most
the road.
Important ingredient.
Wait, what's the most important
I
ingredient?
hate to say it, but you'll have to get down to Sam's Hams and pick us up some of his steaks. Oh, a sorry state indeed.
Well, it happens.
Florence! Get that oven warmed up for when this young man comes back.
Yes, of course, Mr. Ron. Right away.
Come on then, lad. Let's be having you.
No worries. I got you. I'll take care of it. I'll go to Sam's Hands. Poor Ron and his big pies. Oh, I could have gone back there before, but now I can't. Let me go into Raj's veg hole. Go away. Raj does not want me in his veg hole, okay? Whatever happens, I can't be allowed into Raj's veg hole. Nope. Mm-hmm. Oh, but the water should be active now. What did you do?
Cracky, look at the size of this lad's marrow.
Like you, look at the size of this lad's sparrow.
Looks like we didn't need that hose after all, lad. Right, so all we need now is fertilizer.
Do I smell quail? Oh, I see. Was but a tomato. Ooh,
I reckon
more
Roger will have a
me.
full sack.
Dirty love, Herbert. Dirty love.
Hey, Bez, there's some really good-looking fish in here.
Yeah, just a little bit of a piss joke, you know?
That one's got a nice set of teeth.
We live piss.
I hope we catch some at Bez. I'm starving. I don't wait since I've been chewing
What is this?
this morning.
A most invasive and hostile flower. If even slightly
There's some
agitated,
nice ones
it will
in here
burst,
today.
scattering seed. Fortunately, I've caught this one before it could do any damage.
But what if I break it out?
Never touch a dingleweed with your open hand. They are
They're
dangerously
dangerously virile. I'm gonna go touch my dingleweed. Well, I've got some dingleweed, so... What are they gonna do about it, huh? Fucking dinguses? They who I have I have conquered.
I can't seem to understand it. Pick up all the litter and put it in a bag. And then, next thing I know, it's blooming everywhere. I'll never make puzzle night at this rate. Still, I do love litter.
Yeah, but like, is there a hole in your bag possibly or something? Men underfoot. I sure hope that men are under feet. Honestly, I think men should be under paws, to be fair, but like, you know, that's just my opinion. That's not the opinion of the masses. You would touch a dingleweed. You're the fucking dingleweed, okay? That's just you, okay? You're gonna get utterly ruined.
I'm boiling the kettle.
Bobby Knocker hit every close the door. Icing Truck and Austin Power situation. For real, for real.
Oh, hello there, young man. Thank goodness you're here. My
How may I help
drain
you?
pipes are all blocked up over there, and I need them cleaning out. Won't you give it a go? Great job!
Oh yeah, no worries. I'll take care of that for you, okay?
I'll be here any minute.
It's only Nancy's new bloody boyfriend. She's got a new one every week.
All
Latex?
right.
Oh.
It'll be nice to have a proper sit-down tea.
I'd rather have a sit-down
I need
week.
some
Oh,
latex
behave.
in this webcam situation, honestly. I think that would be like really effective, honestly, and really comfortable.
Don't know, love. We have got bricks at home.
Ooh, good
Yeah,
make,
but the
though.
bricks we have at home are not quite good, honestly. Oh, this guy's buying some decent bricks, honestly, by the bag.
Bring back asbestos. It's fine.
You are being lied to.
Guys are being lied to about asbestos. Ah. No, never been the best, so letting go. Why am I so slow in this game, though? Come on, Nemsky. By the way, Nem, how do you feel about that bit? Do you think that was a funny bit to perform? From the group chat. Look at this guy straight jorking it in the police stand. Look at that fucking shit.
Do you think it's possible to dual-wield truncheons?
To dual-wield truncheons? Yeah, you definitely can. You have two hands. You could probably trio-wield it, honestly, at that point. He's just admiring his baton.
Quick kick. That's kick then. Ah.
Quick kick, that's kick then?
So, I was watching the television last night. The numbers were getting higher and higher.
You just gotta do what you gotta do.
The programming, more and more irreverent. I was almost entrapped by the telly shopping. A long-form piece about a wet and dry vacuum cleaner almost caught my
wet
eye.
and dry vacuum cleaner's probably
But then
pretty
I
good.
happened upon the strangest of things. An entire television channel dedicated to women on the phone.
Oh,
Of
he's
course,
interested
I
in
doubt it.
telesex, eh?
And the operator connected me to the most enchanting lady, Chantal.
Oh, yeah?
We spoke for hours of Tolstoy and of Dickens.
Mentions are aggressive about it afterwards. Oh, blessed be.
And see, that's why I needed your credit card details, Larry.
Right, Ronnie. For the telly ladies.
Yes, for the
that's
telly
right, Larry.
ladies.
That was for a night of mutual pleasure.
Right you are, Ronnie.
Now, about my tab. I won't be paying it. I need all of that money for the wet and dry vacuum. I
wonder how wet we can
Just
get
how
it.
wet can we get it?
So accurate, honestly. So accurate. Oh my god. Guys, do you wanna like come over to my place and see how wet we can get the wet and dry vacuum? Please? Anomaly, I'm an anomaly, I'm an anomaly, I'm an anomaly. So where's Bobby at? The guy's selling bricks, I dare you to hit the wall. Oh, too late? Is it just someone's house or some shit? Oh my lord.
Aye, cracking work reclaiming my spanner from that despicable fishmonger. Unfortunately, I've just noticed my screwdriver's gone missing too.
Oh no, you can't
It's
do work
probably
without the
that
screwdriver,
daft
eh?
lassie Kerry down at Price Shaggers.
I'm gonna take care of that for you, don't worry.
Hello. He's chuffed to bits you found his spanner.
Oh, thank you, Marge. Master,
Don't put your rubbish
slap
in my
him
bin.
more. Liz, how are you doing, Saber?
I don't know.
Mucky pup.
Mucky pup? Call me a pup again, bitch.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. They're everywhere. Somebody must have lured them down from the roof. Can you fetch us that box of rat poison from top shelf?
Oh yeah, I'll go grab the rat poison for you.
I've been on my best behavior. I deserve a treat, not a mouse.
Yeah, let's go take care of this rat poison here.
Thanks for that.
Absolutely, no worries. You enjoy yourself, Mari.
Don't leave me with all these.
Only 10 bob. That's not too bad. That's pretty cheap, honestly. You getting some workout done soon? Then Brekkie, I need my mana. How's yo? I'm doing really well, Liz. I'm just waiting for work later on. It's not really much going on today. It's kind of sick like that, to be fair. It's a struggle, honestly, if that's anything to say.
Yeah, this is Bumbly Road branch. We got a bit of a rat problem. We got beady eyes and little ears, tails, and whiskers on you.
I mean, it's generally been okay, though, honestly. Liz. It's just... It's a struggle right now. Apart from biggies. Biggies are not people. Macros are not people, guys, okay? He's got this. Rasher book. Beware the basher. Stop the stigma. Shit, we're at... Guys, stop the stigma. We have to shit wherever we want, okay? Shit wherever, and that's how we deal with things, okay? Goodbye, mouse. Mice shaggers? 10% off mousehold goods. We are no longer accepting weird avian notes. Neat, I'm sorry. Buy one, get one free deal no longer active. Sippy Susan's beer. White shits. Staff, check all notes. Yeah, true. What? 1 second. There we go. Screwdriver falling down. And now people will think that Kari took it.
What on earth is this now?
Carrie Louise Pickle, passing off my flathead as your produce, is it?
Jasper, why on earth would I do that?
I can't turn my back for a minute in this town without one of yous pinching my tools.
Yeah, that screwdriver's definitely yours. Don't worry.
Aye,
Actually, on
a
the big
likely
why on the
story.
big screen?
I'll be filing a
What the
Oh,
hell
complaint
is
with the head
this?
office, that's for sure. Hey, anyway,
We're just
back to the chippo with this.
lame like
You're
that.
right with you, Jasper. Anyway, thanks for that, kiddo. The shops never look better.
Chips never look better. Yeah, true. Completely covered in disgustingness or something. But Liz, what have you been up to recently? What's been going on?
Don't put your bin in my bin.
Eh?
Don't put your bin in my bin. What?
Come on.
Have you guys background stuff for? Oh yeah, check the DMs later and you'll see. Actually, I'm checking the DMs now. Is that a cat? Oh my god, love you too, Liz. That's crazy. It is a cat. They're keeping me a bit trapped. Understandable, honestly. Family just left, now I'm back to normal life, nothing much.
That fire's still
Oh, you
burning.
had family over for a while, eh? Oh, I understand. Dude, I want to go get some fish and chips at some point.
Aye, thanks for helping me getting the screwdriver back, laddie. I wish I could say we were done, lad, I really do. But as I got back, I noticed my hammer's gone walkies. He must have been pissed by that
Walkies?
no-good yob, Frank. He's probably doing
Take
it the
me,
brook,
guys,
poaching
please,
fish as we
please.
speak. Hurry down along to the brook before Frank does himself a mischief with my hammer.
The brook before Frank does a mischief to his hammer, okay?
I get lonely sometimes.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
He loves toast. Beep, 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 beep. Grilled bread? The Rat Pack. Find all the singing mice. Yeah, I guess I'm kind of cool like that.
Don't put me in your bin.
Don't put me in your bin. What's up with this? Men underfoot. Okay. I know where we're at now.
Wicked head, black in lung, smoking's best when you start it young.
Smoking's best when you start it young. I want more sausages. Excuse me? Do you have more sausage for me, sir? I looked to workout into shower. You'll stay on the projector. What do you even do for workouts, Liz, by the way? I'm making grilled cheese on the stove, but it's a stove cheese?
Ready for another bit of fiddle
I mean,
sticks, are
I'd
ya?
say that if I'm,
Watch your
you know,
knees.
putting it on the stove, but like on a griddle, it's probably grilled.
Ah, hello again. Didn't expect to see you twice in one day.
My apologies.
Well, alright then.
Alright then. Down to Raj's. Ooh.
Go on there.
Go in there.
Go on.
Some corn.
Oh.
True. I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Snails? No, thank you. Cucumbers? Yes, please.
Cucumbers, yes please. Okay. I'll be wary of the cucumber grind.
I'm a chartered surveyor, and I'm in trouble.
Hold him still, Turpentine.
My father's the county ombudsman.
Huh. Turpentine, you're doing good work, honestly. What?
Ow, ah. Oh, ow. Oh, oh, ow.
Oh my god. He's dead. I killed him. I'm so proud, Shoddy, honestly. I'm so proud.
hello! I'm a worm. Another thing you ought to know about worms, very limited career paths. It's either down the compost heap or off crawling through keyholes at night to find a shiny penny. How's that for dirty work?
It's pretty dirty, honestly. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Liminal spaces may be slippy when wet. Oh, you're so right. You're so right. They might be slippy when wet, honestly. Swooks and Kippers, I'm guessing this is what the store's called.
Just the man I need. New stock's coming and it's setting up. You'll give it a hand again, won't you, lad?
Just wanna be part of your symphony.
Lovely stuff, lad. couldn't have done it better myself.
Yeah, no worries. I got you, bro. I got you. Oh, steaks and fishes. Okay, that makes sense.
Apparently, he's going to Sam's for his run.
Who's this handsome via
They
my
are luscious,
screen?
though.
Yeah, honestly,
Well, yeah, luscious, no
probably someone
disagreement
lame
there.
on it, to
But
be
another
fair.
one's meat in your pie. What are we, Sheffield?
So true. Very Sheffield.
Where do I get my rugs of such high quality? I make them at home with my 7 adopted children.
Child labor, okay. Casual, casual. Alright, so we need to get some
Well,
hams
well.
for the other
I
person.
never thought I'd see the day where the big man would come to me for his meat. Come up here and have a do on this then.
Come on, you don't have a duel in this one. You sure lame it could be farther from the truth? No, I'm pretty lame, honestly.
When I was scarcely 3 years old, my father, mistaking me for a small cut of venison, hung me out in smokehouse. It was nearly a day dangling over the embers before my sisters found me. By then, I was already stricken with a black lung. The doctor said I shan't likely see my
Pretty
12th
lame to
summer,
me.
and I wept.
Yeah, something like that, you know, something like that. Something akin to that. Wants to rule the world. Is it just me or is this utterly
Do you know how glue is
disgusting?
made? I do. I found out when I was only 7 years old, after my mum went lame. Father took her to Knackers that very same evening, and I wept.
Oh my god. Around these parts we try and stay hydrated together. It's
One
just like
dark
when you
winter's
guys
night,
have
my father brought me and my
okay.
sisters a lamb each.
That's myself.
But a single sheep knife between us. Mine, the run to the litter, jolted as I made the cut.
Don't have anything to drink.
Bleated and bled for a fortnight, and I wept.
Here. Did I get all the meat? Did I get all the meat now? Oh, perfect.
Ooh, excellent work, lad. A fine cut indeed.
Yeah, no worries. Flo's the one who picked it up, though. Fortunately enough.
That'll make quite the pie, I'll tell thee now. Now, I suppose all we need to do is... Right! I've forgotten the most important ingredient.
Yeah, what is the most important ingredient?
Pie mix. Here we are.
Fuck
I'm
is pie
sure there's
mix?
the number in here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Pastry Pete's Premium Mixture Company. Pie mixture delivery for pies.biz.
Pastry Pete's Premium Mixture Company, Pie Mixture Delivery for Pies
Interesting.
Biz.
Pie mix.
Horrible raw.
All right, lad. The number is... Oh...
Oh. I'll get Rodder in a second.
1, 2, another 2, 6.
6, 2.
Hello, this is Pasty Pete's Premium Pasty Pastry Mix.
Colin, is that you?
Oh, hello, Mr. Ron. Yeah, Pasty Pete's off today. He's took Auntie Margaret down to Guernsey.
So you've forgotten my pie mix then?
Oh, no. I'm ever so sorry, Mr. Ron. My memory's not been so good since my mum put me back on the bismuth.
Well,
Oh, you're back on the bismuth? She just got back on the mercury and you're back on the bismuth, eh?
I'll be right over.
Understood.
Oh, there you are, Colin.
Here you go, Mr. Ron. I came as fast as I could. Ooh, Florence.
What the... Sure.
Oh, hello, Colin.
I had no idea you worked in the pie industry.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes.
Hello and
I've
Colin.
always wanted to work with crusts.
young love.
You're looking extra sweaty today, Colin.
Thanks. It's actually butter.
Slippy.
It's just
Super slippy.
today.
You should see me get down at Ginnell. I'm like a whippet.
I love whippets.
Really?
I love whippets.
Skinny.
The doctor says we've got a very similar bone structure.
It suits you. My dentist says I've got the teeth of a Springer Spaniel.
Maybe we should, I don't know, go to the hygienist together sometime.
Oh, Colin.
Ooh, Florence.
Wow. Anyone want to go to the hygienist with me?
Ooh. Florence.
Oh.
Drinks wise.
Ooh.
And Lizzie.
Oh, Colin.
Florence.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Florence.
So how about some apple juice?
Ooh. Florence.
Oh, Colin.
Ooh. Florence. Ooh.
Oh, Colin.
Florence.
Around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself. I got some apple juice here today, but I'm almost curious you guys might be drinking, so feel free to join along with me now. I got you, Alex.
Ooh. Florence.
Oh, Colin.
Ooh.
Oh, Colin.
Ooh.
Wait, so I'm going in the oven?
Florence.
Oh, weenie, I'm cooking.
Ooh.
May I have a sip? Oh, yeah, here.
Florence.
There you go. That's enough.
Oh dear, right. Mr. Warren?
Yes, Florence?
Mr. Carnegie, please fill the shop with your dreams about smoke.
It doesn't matter now, Florence.
Enough for everyone.
Enough for everyone. Big pies. Now that's a big pie.
Send down to Big Ron's, where we've made our biggest pie yet.
Big Ron, how big is the pie?
It's a pie so big you could feed a family of 5 for 40 years, and you'd still have enough for supper. It's a pie
Wow.
so big you'd get lost in it. It's a pie
Pie's so big. What is this? What does this guy have to do with anything? What?
Now, love, I know you've told me before, but why can't you just, well, you know, make your pies a bit bigger?
Oh my god. Bish is a trout. So true. Very accurate. Yasuke.
I've been tipped off that someone's selling counterfeit goods here in the market.
Such a good boy.
Herbert's gonna have a right job
Such a
on
good
getting
boy.
fertilizer with Roger in this state.
Alright, I'm going to Roger's fetch hole.
Get your head down, lad. He's gone bonkers. Rog, relax yourself. You're making a mess of the place.
Get out!
What the devil's gotten into you, man? I never never even mentioned your massive head.
Look, it isn't massive!
For crying out loud, Rog, there's no shame in it.
Raj, it happens, dude. Sometimes you have a large forehead, but it's like whatever.
I'm sorry, Mr. Peelings. We did everything we could.
We did everything we could.
What's that red? Violet's and blue. Roger's got a big head and he's a massive bellend.
Hurry up, Peelings. That pool isn't gonna pay itself.
Napoleon gonna pee itself, so true. Me when
Sorry,
the pool
mister.
pisses
It's
itself.
company policy.
Peas. Not quite peas. Not quite beans. But something special.
Peens.
Never mind them, love. I like it. I can't keep pretending anymore, Roger. It's just too big.
Roger, your bellend is too big, guys.
It's just too big. Too big.
That won't fit.
No. Extra, extra large.
Too big. This is a family restaurant.
Too big. Too big.
It's just
today.
Too big.
Too big.
Tommy's got a big head.
Too big. Should just be fair.
Right then, Rog. I'll see you next week.
It's too big. Was I not supposed to get fertilizer here?
I'm glad that's over. I can't stand the fuss.
Can't stand a
What a
fuss.
palaver.
Any sign of knockoffs?
Any sign of knockoffs?
Oh, me weenie sausage meal. Blooming heck. It's the meat in the bun of the burger that I enjoy.
The meat in the bun of the burger I enjoy. Mmm.
6 down starts with a D. Liquid refreshments.
Drinks.
Oh, not again.
Closed due to smacky bum. Get fucked, bitch. Guess this is the right way to go. Okay, so what can I do? How did we get the fertilizer or what?
Oi. Ah!
Bob is a bit steep.
I've never liked to look a clock in the face.
Hang on a minute.
And Bob's fit
Leave
too.
it on.
I'm Grigory Beanton. Hear my breath. Bring me beans or bring me death.
Understood. I'll bring you death, I suppose, because I probably can't bring you beans. And speaking of beans, like, I would really like to eat some beans right now.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me, young man.
The
Get off
beans
my
are on the
soft
windowsill.
clothes. I'm trying to sleep over here in my old-fashioned nightcap.
Oh.
Ah,
Janice?
the beans!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the beans! Oh my god! The beans out there on the windowsill!
Briggity Beanton, hear my plea. I summon my 6 gulls back to me. That didn't work. Go find them.
His 6 skulls, huh? Alright. Okay, well there's one.
Oh.
Go stereo.
Jumping around up there on the balcony while I sleep in my old-fashioned nightcap, making a noise. I'm trying to sleep here.
Okay, well that's one of the goals.
Dear, oh dear, young lad. Looks like
That's
we
another
just missed
goal.
it by a truncheon's breadth.
Make me ill at ease.
Make me ill at ease.
Ah!
It's the third one.
Third! Making gob is worth 2 in the book.
I just can't catch a break.
Or she had it.
Juice
5?
of the bovine.
Oh.
6. That should be all the goals. One for crime. Ooh, that guy's wanted now.
Excellent work, cabin boy. You retrieved my finest lieutenants.
Of
There's
course.
a bright future ahead of you on this ship. Attention!
Attention. Oh, daddy. She had that day.
Hey, hang on a minute. These coasters are one way.
These coasters are one way. Oh my goodness.
Very strange.
How does that work? Wait, it's one way? When he turned it back around, it disappeared though.
It was fine in the 70s, and it's fine now.
It was fine in the 70s, it was fine now.
Big second-hand furniture, never used. Chairs, lamps, doors, and more. Ah.
Make secondhand furniture. Nick's hustling, okay? This is hustle culture at its finest, alright? And there's Dr. Bum Bum. This guy's still asleep. Stopping crying back in 9.
Kicking these.
Kicking these? Oh yeah, you can kick them tires. I suppose the best thing to do is head into, like, Mother Meg's.
So what's it all about then?
Well, it follows the interpersonal dramas of the street's inhabitants. All of their affairs and betrayals and whatnot.
EastEnders.
Very compelling. Not like this shit.
So true. Listen, okay? We can listen to EastEnders, you know? Milk near an egg, also fine. Wait, that's 37 degrees Celsius in there. Why is it so hot in the freezer? Shoddy like a melody in my heart and I can't keep... Oh, yeah. So
Quick time, lad, come on! If I don't get this fryer fixed soon, Marge is gonna have my pants down.
Her and her sister were so lovely when I used to babysit.
yeah, I used to babysit them.
Come on, I'll eat them raw.
Come on, I'll eat them raw. Brother, you're not eating that raw. Whatever you do, do not eat that raw. Still making some toast. Lester packs of lunches. No posts on
Oh, look at
Tuesdays.
this now. They're both in the bin. Oh.
Oh, look at this now. We're both in the bin. Okay.
I
See
used to go to
get
Bishop's,
out of the bin.
and my doctor says the brine will give me go.
All right, I'll head the price shaggers. I mean, I'm looking for a hammer, right?
Florence, Mum wag, she said you're a bit. No, she didn't. Yeah, she did. She said you're a big fat bitch. Gary, give over. No, you're a
Nah,
proper
Florence,
bitch,
you're a
Florence.
bitch,
Everyone
honestly.
said so. Even Colin. No, he don't. Don't talk about Colin or I'll smack you.
I really like this game. It's such a silly game. Thank goodness you're here. What time are we at? 157? Not bad.
Hello again.
Hi,
I've
your
got some more
sausages.
sausages, and I'm going to poke them through the hole. Here we go. Oh.
Oh.
That's all right. Here's oh.
Oh.
One more. Here. Ah, I've dropped that one too. I'm afraid I've run out of sausages now. I'll go to the shop and buy some more.
Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you for passing me some sausages through the small hole. Barry's a voice actor, and I'm so surprised. I don't know Matt Berry. That's crazy.
Go! Oh, you little dusty gentleman, you.
I got your back, bro. Don't worry. You're fine. He's happy. There we go. Wait, I know this voice? For real?
Get her open. Steady as you go.
That's the gardener, really. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, he's just thrusting sensually, okay? Oh!
Look at this, lad. There's a zip right here.
Delicious.
My beautiful baby boy. And bigger than I thought. Cream of the crop.
Yeah, cream of the crop, okay?
Bobby, you old chewstick. You nearly scared me soft. What can I do you for?
I'm sorry to bother you, Herbert, but there's been reports of a crime in the area.
Shit!
That's right. Have you seen this criminal at all?
Hang on a minute, that's no criminal. That's the honest businessman who sold me this brand new watering can.
I'm afraid that's no businessman. That's bootleg, Bill. And that's no watering can. That's a watering can't.
Bugger me, I
my
paid 10
gosh.
bob sterling for that.
It happens to the best of us, Herbert. Just last week, he swindled my wife.
10 bob sterling
with a
for the
wet
watering
dream
can't.
voucher. So keep your eyes peeled, your head on a swivel, and a Johnny on your button. And I'll need to take this down to the station.
Good grief, this town is going to the dogs. You better keep an eye out, lad.
Better keep an eye out, lad. Yeah, no worries. I'll be aware and awake. Went for crime. That guy just wants to be...
Call the fire
11th.
department. Tell them old Charlie's got himself stuck in the well again. They'll know what it means.
Shut up and have your spoon.
Shut up and have a spoon. Nothing about snails this time? Okay.
Ah, that's better. I tell you what, I can't see out underground, me. I don't know how them badgers do it. Do you know, moles and badgers are a type of dog?
Moles and badgers are a type of duck. I didn't know that myself, but now I do, obviously. Virile.
Are you here to give a hand with fishing? That's bait box over there.
It's bait box over there. Do not bash.
Oh dear, oh dear. This large and flaccid specimen seems to have already discharged.
Seems to have already
We can only pray that its seeds don't take root. Oh, ah. Oh, oh.
Oh, oh.
Ah,
Oh, I can
good
get
idea,
in the
you
bait.
can go in and all. Did you see that bird earlier? Past our base, that is. Ah, Brother brought it back from Falklands. He couldn't take him through customs though. He had to pretend he was a mental case. And now he's got
But that's why that button is hold. Okay.
Oh, catch of the day! You've been up to some mischief with this, I'll bet.
What you on about, Jasper? I don't know.
Yeah, I was
Wait
trying to
till you
catch
and Ma
some
hears
fish
about
with the
this.
hammer.
I'm taking this back to my toolbox, and I'll see you at the Chipple, lad.
Jasper, you probably doing me nothing. Ah!
Ah!
And he said, £2.50 for parking. And I said, good God, I'm a duck. I wish I'd never asked.
Good God, I'm a duck. Don't worry, I'll discharge all of these. Any butterflies left for me in our chest. Too much towards death, breathing your last breath. I hate to say I told you so, but how to use this show. Flower apocalypse? Something flower apocalypse. Wait, that's the driving school. What are they even playing? What kind of cards can you play like that in the bin?
love.
I love.
I can't believe the cheek of that wee boy. I dread to think the trouble he was up to with this whole thing. Anyway, I think I've almost cracked her open. Take a
Ooh,
look
looks
inside,
like-
won't you? See if you can't flush all this muck out.
Yeah, no worries. I'll take a look inside. I'm quite a businessman, anyways. So.
Ooh.
All right, Marge, that's your pipes all cleaned out, and I fixed the fryer.
Oh
Thanks, lovey. I hope
And
it
I
wasn't
fixed
too
the fryer.
much bother. I'll put you some chippies on.
I nae bother at all. But where does all that oil drain out to anyway?
But like, which pipes we fully cleaning out here, though, right?
I've got no clue, love.
Like, I mean, there's two choices, right?
Oh no!
Open for business.
Morning.
Open for business. Why is everything 10 bob, by the way? Fish and chips, 10 bob. Fish or chips, 10 bob. Can of pop, 10 bob. Just eat something to your mom's for the kid. Oh my god. Health and safety rating, piss poor. Deep fried Chinese jump. Exactly. Done with the work on mine, please. Oh yeah. Here you go, Liz. Sorry. What's going on? Oh, you know. It's fine. I got you, Liz. Don't worry. I got your back. My shaggers probably cleaned up now, right?
Florence, you knocked the gold about your psoriasis. He said it's seminal.
Psoriasis is
I don't have psoriasis, Kerry. You just colour me in with a felt tip pen when I'm sleeping.
Wow, that is so rough. Sister craziness. Or something. Oh, mailman.
Oh dear. Oh, that's in a right state.
Oh, hello there, young man. Thank goodness you're here. I've got this delicious cup of tea here, you see. But I'm afraid it's as black as a bin bag in there. It really is. I'd go and get some more milk. I would. But the trouble is, I'm
Trouble
afraid
is?
I'm milk shy.
You're milk shy. What does that mean?
Oh, woe is me.
What does it mean to be milk shy? Beep, 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 beep. Normal milk down here. It better not be like the weird beef dude or whatever. Afraid of milk. See.
Oh, thank goodness you're here, lad. Ah, Bessie's sick as a pig. Chippies usually perk her up, though. Oh, you could go up to Marge's and get us some.
Go Marge to get some chippies. Yeah, sure, I'll go get some chippies from Marge's. Still dream of you.
I can't believe this, you! I've been here for 40 minutes! Marge! Come on, hurry up! I'm eating with the two here! And I'm pregnant!
So we just have to wait for that, eh? Ooh. That's some pretty well cooked bread, honestly. By your shadows, tight side, piece the tables burn, burn again. Turn to bro, not burn and burn again. Where'd the bin go?
Oh, Florence, with Bobby Roger. He said you wonder away.
It's Bobby Roger.
For being a bitch. Well,
Mm,
Jerry, if being a bitch was your job, you'd
you'd
get
be employee of the years. So true, so true, so true.
I finished them all off.
I can go inside now. I guess we just have to wait for what's her face to finish making some fish and chips. What's over here? Oh, it just cycles back around because you go around the house. That's so intelligent. No full text.
Len. Hi, Mum. Hi, Dad. This is Jack. He's got a job.
I'll do.
Hi there, Mr. and Mrs. Bingy. Very nice to meet you both.
Now
Okay,
then,
Jack
Jack,
goes
how
above.
about a lager beer?
Ah, go on then.
Hey, I like him already.
Ah, go on then.
Wow, Mrs. Bingy. This is delicious. I've never had pie and Swede before.
Thank you, Jackalis.
Well, what do you normally have with your pie at home, lad?
Well, usually the pie's big enough on its own.
Big enough?
Oh, look, please, don't make a fuss.
Big enough?
Big enough?
No,
Oh no,
love,
this
I
is
won't
where
have
it is.
Not under my roof, not on my dinner table.
Love, please.
I really didn't mean anything by it.
You shut your mouth!
Oh, damn.
And you can shut it and all. No daughter of mine is going with a big pie, man.
Oh, it's a big pie, man. Ludo narrative. Oh my god, Ludo narrative. Diamonds. Good job, Nick, honestly. Very good work. Regular. Cousin Tucson.
Good morning. Thank goodness you're here. It's my breakfast time already, and I need some shopping.
Oh,
But
what would you like
I'm
today?
Bedbound, and I don't like other hands touching my shopping. Might you be able to assist?
Yeah, no worries. I'll help you with your shopping.
Oh no. Oh, I'm so sorry.
There we go. I'll help this guy with his shopping.
I tell you what, asbestos never gave anybody third-degree burns.
I don't know why I even bother.
You really shouldn't bother at this
we were
point.
finished for the day.
I prefer
You
to
had to
go
come down
personally.
and sort this out.
I still can't go to City Hall, huh? It's interesting.
Oh, you again? When am I going to see the back of you, you wee melon head? Actually, I've got just the job for you.
Yeah,
Why
what am I
don't you
doing here?
head down
Heading to
Price
Shaggers?
Shaggers and pick us up some spirit level bubbles. Hey, boys.
Hey, spirit level bubbles, eh?
How does that sound? Right, away you go.
Some spirit level bubbles.
Lady D!
Lady D. I want to get some chips here as well.
Oh, lovely. Are you here to give me a hand with the tatties?
Yeah, I'm here for you.
I've got it tough, me.
Yeah?
Huh? We both do. We're
Tatties,
tatties.
yeah?
Oh, I.
Yep. 40 to a bed. Dirt for breakfast. Dirt for dinner.
And we used to sleep in sacks.
Exactly. And
Wow.
for what? Best case
Just to be
scenario,
eaten, right?
we're peeled, chopped up,
Fried.
drowned in oil.
Drowned in oil.
Aye,
Oh.
we've got it tough, us.
We've got it tough. But at least we're alright now.
So you gotta find now. Absolutely destroyed. Mmm, delicious. I want proper fish and chips again, dude. It's so hard where I live that, like, you actually can't get that shit. And it's so sad.
Hey, you're looking much better, Bessie. And just in time, too. We better be setting off. Oh, we don't want to miss our special appointment.
Special?
Oh, I hope
No.
we find the place okay.
No.
Apparently it's opposite our little field. The house with the blue door.
A house with the blue door.
Oh, here it is. Oh, I'm too nervous to knock. You do it, Bessie.
I'll do it, don't worry.
Ooh.
Oh, this is the
Never
special
had a
appointment, eh?
bath before. So, do you come here often?
This is awfully nice. I got it.
Come here all the time.
Oh my.
Oh my. Why is this such a fever dream right here with Bessie? He's not gonna be milk shy now. You win Dugnite.
Yes.
Yeah, you win. When?
Yes.
When is this happening to you? That drip at the end.
Shy no more.
Few too many, eh, lad? Come on. You can sleep it off down the station.
Perfect. Oh, so these are aware of illegal activities happening here. Oh, I'm behind this. Wait. An incident occurred here? Got caught photos? Yeah? Can I go in the back door of Price Checkers? Why is he U-size? He's actually U-size, Huguenot. I'm 2'4", you're small.
Smash him about to piece.
What can you do? There's nothing you can do about it. Let's charge this up. Why don't you just put the soot outside, honestly, at this point? Don't worry. It's fine. Just one more cleanup. Don't worry, bro.
What are you wearing?
He's got some practice
Green
going, right?
dungarees and a flat cap? You're not going to believe this. Heavens to beetroot. I need to get that fixed.
Heavens to beetroot. I need to get that fixed. So true. Know your veg. Carrot, peas, tatties, corn on the cob, corn off the cob, apple, beans, wet, and lager. Ah, I see. Oh, that other guy's in there. Oh, he's trying to get her to love him. Are we about to start dealing with, like, actual snails or what? I wonder what that note says.
I don't know what you're trying to show me. I don't need any more bed.
I believe he is dead. He is properly dead.
Not mealworms. It's meals for worms, and it's a bag of soil.
Not mealworms. Meal. Oh my god. This is a toxic relationship here.
I said, in arrears? Well, I could try, but it's your wife.
I could try, but it's your wife. Yeah. I'm excited to finish work today because I think tonight I'm just gonna like perform a mass amount of like shavage. I think that'll be pretty fun. Oh, there's Bessie. Whoa. What does this one say? Society for the Protection of Flowers with Faces on Them. SPF. Oh my gosh, wait. SPF. Well, let's get into price shaggers here.
Hello.
Hey, Meep. Bargain bin, only 10 bucks. That's pretty good quality.
Oh yeah.
New from Jay and Mel, double-ended mops. You can be like Darth Maul with a mop, eh?
Okay, now. Here for the spirit level bubbles, is it? Well, you're in luck. We just got a fresh batch in this morning. They're in the back there, look. You'll need this.
You'll need
Good
this.
luck. Right. Ah. Ah. Yeah.
Spirit level bubbles. What is the point of these? He only wants to get his groceries to his own hands, you know? Thank goodness you're here. Spirit level bubbles. I still can't figure out what the play on words is there.
So I says to them, I says, it's an oven glove. Where else am I supposed to put it? In the oven. Oh, hello.
Oh, in the, what?
Oh. Is that real felt? How much? 10 bob.
10 bob.
Very reasonable. What do you reckon, love? We still got that cabbage money.
Is that Bootleg Bill? Look, everyone. This young man's caught Bootleg Bill.
It's more of a Cumberland cross, really.
That's the meat puppy. Oh my gosh.
He's got him! He's finally got him! Hey! Three cheers! Hip, hip, hurrah!
So Bootleg Bill
Now,
escaped.
settle down, settle down. Thanks to this young man's
Let's
incredible
go. Okay, actually, no.
work,
I'm actually professional
I
here,
can
Yeti.
safely declare bootlegging in this town has been knocked on the head. Still at large.
They let him escape? Oh, nice.
Oh.
Good toast, though. Nice and toasted. Let's head out into the Chippo. They're still waiting, eh? You've been enjoying this
Almost done
voice
with this one,
actor?
Charlie.
Terrific job, Susan. You'll earn that shilling yet.
So he's not
I feel
dead.
better already.
Shuddy, he's not dead. Look. That's their twin brother. Miles Schmiles. And I opened the back door for Handy Dude.
Too wet.
Too wet, huh? How do I go higher? There we go. Not wet enough.
Too dry.
Too dry.
Too red.
Too mixed. Soup to put.
Too meta.
Too meta. Too meta.
Beans is a dessert.
Beans is a dessert. Oh, no, it's butter.
Oh, what's this? Cadbury's
Cadbury's
breakfast blend. And only 40 years out of date. We'll take the lot.
It's only 40 years out of date, not that bad.
Hello, shopkeep. Hello. Oh dear,
Oh,
this one's homogenized.
He's working here at least, okay? He can work.
Altogether, that's
10 bob.
10 bob.
So that's 10 bob. 5. 5 is 10 bob.
Shopkeep.
I know the police are aware of illegal activities taking place in this area.
I think
Oh.
you've had enough, you greedy little piglet.
I'm a greedy little piglet. Someone should degrade me like that more. Oh my god. That's kind of cool, actually.
Oh, okay, come on, yep, come on through. That's a public bridal way, this. I'll get you a key cut. I'll call Ronnie right now, in fact.
He's gonna get me a key so I can come in the front door. If
Well,
I
is
felt
it
like
brown on both sides? Right. Is it hot to the touch? Well, Brian, it sounds like you've toasted it. No, it's not going to go back.
It can't go back. It's not bread anymore. Oh, here's the snails.
Oh, this is the very last thing I wanted to happen. A whole pack of snails in the garden. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh, get away from me. Oh, horrid snail. Oh, there's another one going down the well.
So we're going down the well, yeah, but like, you know,
Oh dear.
at that rate, it's down the well.
Oh no.
Hello, Arctic, howdy. And Nico, how are you? Nico, how have you been doing? It's been a bit of time since I hung out with you. Have I actually hung out with you and Artie at all? I don't even know. I swear I have, but maybe I haven't. Look, it's Logger in the window.
Oh. Oh.
Arctic, Bulpy's cute. I'm a gamer, guy. I'm a gamer. Oh my fucking god. Get beaten. Okay, where's the worm at?
Hang on, where's your more wife? You know what? Never mind.
What? I needed a mole wife to come in?
A little off-piste here, but another thing worms really love, a rooster's egg. It's not an easy snatch, but by God is the protein worth it.
My god, is the protein worth it? Have you been? I've been like... I've been doing some gaming, you know? That's where I'm at. This guy's just watching me with his eyes. Is that Bootleg Bob?
Now then, young'un, new stock's arrived, so you know the drill.
Cigars now, eh?
Yeah, look at that, a fishy feast for the eyes. Reggie's wife could learn a thing or two.
Done up like a kip. No. 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 See the curve of his...
Alright, if you must know, cocktail sausage down the
can't.
snorkel.
I can't. Thanks, Rugs. Siraj's Chargers.
Oh!
Just the dog. I don't want to have known about that. Another silly installment of the newspaper.
Ooh, feels good. Ooh, that's enough.
Harass a service worker is the achievement I just got. EPB? Dude, I'm so tired as well. It's like... What are you doing to that order stream? Don't worry,
A
I
burger
just
a
wanna
day
smoke
makes me
cigars
oily
all
lamps.
day.
Get them fresh, get them warm, get them moist.
Moist, warm. Yu-Gi-Oh! 10 bob. So true, 10 bob. This guy's wanted for crime.
Now then, Rog, what's up with you?
It's my head, Ron. It's
just too big.
Too big? You know me. I don't reckon out can be too big. Does there know? People used to rib me for my head and all.
Really?
Aye. At school they used to call me Panhead. And the kids would call me
Panhead.
Fathead. But look at me now. I've made big my business. And I've done all right. And that's done all right and all. Your own shop. Best throwing arm in town. And your Florence is doing well too. 3 jobs. And she's nearly got a B.Tech.
That's true. She's off to uni next year.
Yeah.
There you
Wait, so
go.
Florence is
Come on, let's get down pub and have a yard.
Valen's
The boys would love to see
child?
you.
Oh my god. So satisfying. It's a big pair of oily bops. Bops is in like sandwiches? Boom, boom. Alright, back to business. My commander or whatever, my captain.
Attention!
Yeah, the foxes safely. Dude, you have no idea how sleepy I can be. Okay? It's very fun like that.
Save our lad.
Oof, you've got some heat on that pint, Rog.
I know. It's nearly as big as mine.
So true.
It is fucking massive.
What an asshole.
Doctor says my kicking days are over.
Still kick though, come on. Kick it.
What I'll do now.
You just kick it anyways.
Jasper should have left that fire rock.
Better text you too.
Ah, so he just found like the okay, wait. Last cat also lost one child.
Never in all my years of service. Disgraceful. Oh,
That statue is actual person. Okay.
If I find one more of my bags burst, litter strewn about the place, I'm gonna clean that one up too. Why would someone
This
do
guy is like
this?
such good mentality. That guy's a homie. Okay, trust. And I'll keep popping his bags just so he can feel good about himself. Oh. I don't think you're supposed to spill another man's beans. It's probably pretty rough for him, unfortunately.
Breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed. Oh, there's a there's a spanner over there. That's not a spanner, sorry, that's a wrench. What am I talking about? Who's collecting what?
Love, your dinner's ready. Love?
Hey, love, look who's come for tea.
Hello, lovey.
just in time for soup. All homemade. But
All
oh
homemade.
no, it looks as if our cuckoo clock is broken.
I actually am not allowed to get a break.
Oh dear, it's really broke. Please won't you help us fix our clock?
Forget that clock and batch this mole. We need to knock him down the hole.
Your garden's fine. Come here instead and help me slice my crusty bread.
Spin my grinder round and round, don't stop until my meat is ground.
Okay.
I think it's still a little broke. Help us fix our ticky-tock.
Got him.
Where have you been, lad? Can't you see? There's 40 moles and one of me.
Don't worry, I'll help you deal with the moles.
Shall we get a
Trust.
proper slice? Move the handle left and right.
Spinning quickly is the key to make the mince for shepherd's tea.
Before we all sit down to eat, we'll have to bash on every beat.
Now then, lad, my garden's full of dirty moles you need to cull.
Now then, shall we do it right? Left and right is my advice.
Turn the crank and make it snappy. We need this beef to make the patties.
That meaty ground come help with this. I need to chop up all my fish.
Help me, please, I'm in distress. I just can't see with all this mess.
Forget that, Truck. We need you more. There's too much soup spilled on the floor. That's it, young man. You've mopped enough. Now help me chop me tatties up.
Help me
The
keep
fuck
the
is that
ground
game?
at bay.
Don't worry, it's so good.
My dog needs stroking every day.
Really, Dave? Make it quick.
Spin us round and make us sick.
Hurry up and make it tick.
Give that filthy mole the stick.
Slice the bread and make it thin.
Careful now, my arm is in.
That's it, young, and bash that bloke.
Won't you give my dog a stroke?
Spin it. Let's see what I've got.
Push until we both fall off.
Do you not hear what we both said?
Bash that mole until it's dead.
Cut straight through that lovely crust.
I don't feel super, but needs must.
A bash a day keeps felons down.
I've got the cutest dog in town.
I hope I catch a fish or two.
What's the matter? Feeling blue?
Please don't stop, we love our clock.
Give that bastard mole a knock.
My loaf needs slicing, can't you tell?
My arm is in this blooming thing.
Slice me up and bite in two.
Steady on, this fan's brand new.
Help us with the sticky floor. I think they need a little more.
Hang on, why is it me itself?
Poor Reggie's quite unwell.
Now we've hit the overload.
What am I even doing? I actually can't.
Send us flying down the road.
I'm focused on this, but I literally have no idea what's going on.
Really wrong.
Pop the mole, he's in our hole.
Bash his head, he's nearly dead.
Put the cock till it's dead.
Smash that box and squash these two.
Eat it up, it's good for you.
Bang the nail now, please don't fuss.
It's better if you stay with us.
Time to ticking, ticky-tock.
Get him, match him, make him stop.
You have the right to get knocked down.
Chop that fish, your blood comes out.
Like a rhythm game or
I
something?
miss my mum.
In your tummy, yum yum yum.
I love the smashy bangy sound.
Don't be coy now, stick around. Hit the fish.
Bring on too.
Bash the mole.
Smash the tatty, smash the bounce.
Potatoes. Fix the glass.
Thank goodness you're here. I feel bad for this main character. Like, they just need to take a
There you
break.
are, lovey. It should be ready for you now if you'd like to bob in.
Okay, let's go in.
Ah, thank goodness you're here. I'm just about to tuck into this delicious Amsani. and I've lost the mayoral mustard.
What a beauty! Oh, I've never seen one this big.
My goodness, you're here. Underpaid workers and it's so true. I'm doing a little bit of work, you know. Oh, the villain's still on the loose, so.
What a beauty! Oh, I've never seen one this big as that.
I actually can't. This game is so. Oh my. Why, D-Dog, why does that... 6, 7... Guys, can I, like... Guys, one moment, please. Eight nine, bro. Yeah. Hey, guys. I think it's gone too far. The fit goes hard? Yeah, honestly, Takeshi, it's kind of real like that. Dogs when they're barking over there, though, is kind of crazy as well. Okay. Well, that was a good choice of stream game, honestly. Value. There's been a court in Mary Jane. There's been a court in Mary Jane. On Ilklemore Bartat. On Ilklemore Bartat. On Ilklemore Bartat. I'll go and get the death of cowed. On Ilklemore Bartat. I'll go and get this sound off. I need to check something here. I'll go and get the death of cowed on Ilklemore Bartat, on Ilklemore Bartat, on Ilklemore Bartat. Then we shall later bury thee on Ilklemore Bartat. Then we shall later bury thee. Then we shall later bury thee. Like that. Scroll down here, go here. I just need this phone to work. 1 second here. On Ilklemore Bartat. Then tworms will come and eat the hope. They find a way to update this. Then tworms will come and eat the hope. On Ilklemore Bartat. On Ilklemore Bartat. There we go. That should work. Beautiful. Takeshi, what kind of dogs is it that are in the backyard? Keep going.
Then ducks will come and gobble up worms. Then ducks will come and gobble up worms. On Ilkley That. On Ilkley That. On Ilkley That.
Neiman, how's it going?
Back on Ilkley
Welcome. How's it going? What you been up to?
Get us on back. Where we get us on back. That's where we get us on back. On Ilkley That.
It's the wolf dogs barking yapping back here. The wolf dogs. Oh, it's a you, Takeshi. You're the one barking and shit. Oh, understood. Oh, supper.
Along the road there lives a guy I'd like you all to know. He grew a great big marrow for the Luton Flower Show. He showed it to a lady who lived just along the way. And when she saw the signs of it...
Say that. It's the pub when the dogs go barking in the backyard. You know we going hard. Fucking god. Oh my god. And the dog's going hard in the backyard, yeah. Nico, around these parts, we're trying to stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay as happy and healthy as myself. I got some apple juice here today, but I'm curious you guys might be drinking. So feel free to join along and let me know. Let's go right ahead, okay? Coffee? Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, guys. Who are we raiding today? Twitch.tv/ fucking... Why isn't Foxworth streaming right now? This is so sad. Why isn't Foxworth streaming 24/7 right now? I'm so sad. Oh, we'll just raid Garflin for their birthday bash. It's all good. Fucking lucky. Yeah, Takeshi. Real question though. For real. Oh my god, Foxworth, wake up! It's birthday raid. True. Guys, can you like, when I'm working later and Foxworth is probably streaming later, can you just like tell them like, hey, can you just never stop streaming, please, so I can always raid Foxworth? Yeah. But yeah, today was like me getting a stream out because I have a chance to today, but next streams are gonna actually be planned out and properly like adjusted for, so thank you guys so much for coming by. I really appreciate y'all for coming around and hanging out. Alas, it is about time to head over to Garf's birthday-a-thon, so yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all around about. Hang in there. Stay safe. Have a great night, y'all. See you guys soon. Yeah, home in time to see you more. Nico, what happens? I'm gonna be heading out now, but like, should be fine though. Right. What should our raid message even be, anyways? Like, all right, I'm gonna take bits and pieces of Takeshi's message. Alright, this is our raid message, guys. Okay, how does that work? Is that a good raid message? Oh, fuck! Ads! Sound like right now, tired and high AF. I'm not that high, I do want to take a nap before work. It's senior's day, so like, I have like 2 hours probably. Perhaps like get in the shower and then shove off, so. Be great, vibe and enjoy squats to be. I'm confused, perfect raid message, thank you. Be great vibes and enjoy squats to be, yeah. Yeah, hopefully the ad is finished as soon as like we're ready. Because we'll be raiding out. And you're gonna get 5 more ads at Garflin's channel, okay? Trust me. And that's like, what the fuck? Yeah. We love twitch.tv/Volpe. It's so silly. I'll tell y'all though. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Ciao.